5G works as the fifth generation of mobile communication networks, designed to replace 4G and dramatically improve global connectivity. It was created not just to increase download speeds, but to build a foundation for new industries, technologies and services that require fast, reliable, and low-latency connections. Unlike older systems that focused mainly on phones, 5G is designed to connect billions of devices simultaneously, from smartphones to cars, machines, and even smart city infrastructure. To understand how 5G works, it helps to compare it with the networks that came before it. First-generation networks in the 1980s allowed simple analog calls, while second generation introduced digital signals and text messaging. Third generation made mobile internet possible, letting people browse websites and send emails on their phones. Fourth generation brought high-speed internet, mobile apps, and video streaming, which created today's smartphone culture. Now 5G represents the next leap forward, enabling uses that were impossible with older networks. One of the biggest differences in 5G is how it uses radio frequencies to transmit data. 4G networks mainly use lower frequency bands that travel far but have limited capacity. 5G, however, adds higher frequency ranges called millimeter waves that can carry enormous amounts of data very quickly. The drawback is that these higher frequencies cannot travel long distances and are easily blocked by buildings or even trees. To overcome this, 5G combines low, mid and high bands into a layered system, balancing coverage and speed depending on location. To make high frequencies work in cities, 5G uses a new approach called small cells. Instead of relying on a few tall towers that cover wide areas, 5G requires many small antennas placed close together on rooftops, streetlights, and buildings. These antennas work in harmony to maintain a strong signal and reduce delays. With this system, 5G can serve huge numbers of devices in crowded environments like stadiums, airports, and city centers without slowing down. Another key technology behind 5G is called massive MIMO, which means multiple input, multiple output. Traditional antennas could only send and receive a few streams of data at once, but massive MIMO antennas can handle dozens or even hundreds simultaneously. By directing signals more precisely toward individual devices, these antennas avoid wasting energy and greatly increase efficiency. This makes it possible for thousands of people to connect at the same time without reducing quality. Latency is another major improvement of 5G, and it describes the time it takes for information to travel from one device to another. On 4G networks, latency is usually around 50 milliseconds, but with 5G it can drop to just 1 millisecond. That difference may seem small, but it is critical for applications that require instant communication. Self-driving cars, for example, need to exchange data with each other and with traffic systems almost instantly to avoid accidents. Surgeons performing remote operations also need zero delay to ensure precision and safety during procedures. The benefits of 5G are not limited to advanced industries, since everyday users notice improvements as well. People can download movies in seconds, stream ultra-high-definition videos with no buffering, and enjoy smoother online gaming. Large events such as concerts or sports games often strain networks, but with 5G, thousands of people can upload photos and videos at the same time without losing signal quality. This makes personal experiences more reliable and enjoyable for ordinary consumers. Beyond personal devices, 5G plays a central role in the development of smart cities. Sensors placed across roads, buildings, and infrastructure can constantly collect and share data, helping reduce traffic, manage energy use, and improve public safety. Factories can use 5G to connect machines in real time, improving automation and efficiency. Even agriculture benefits, since farmers can use connected sensors to monitor soil, crops and weather with incredible accuracy, leading to higher yields and reduced waste. Another important aspect of 5G is network slicing, which allows operators to divide a single physical network into multiple virtual networks. This means one section of the network can be dedicated to emergency services with guaranteed reliability, while another can focus on consumer entertainment or industrial operations. By customizing performance for different uses, 5G becomes highly flexible and can adapt to many industries at once. Despite its potential, 5G also faces challenges that slow down its global rollout. Building the infrastructure for small cells and massive MIMO antennas is expensive and requires cooperation between governments and companies. There are also debates about security, since more connected devices mean more opportunities for cyber attacks. Additionally, health concerns about exposure to higher frequencies continue to spark discussion, although scientific studies so far show that 5G radiation remains within safe limits set by international guidelines. Many countries are racing to build 5G networks because it also has economic and political importance. Nations that lead in 5G technology gain advantages in innovation, industry, and global competitiveness. Companies in telecommunications, manufacturing, healthcare, and transportation are already investing heavily to adopt 5G early, believing it will open opportunities worth billions of dollars. Just as electricity or the internet transformed society, 5G is expected to spark a new wave of digital change. Looking at the future, 5G will not stand alone, but will work alongside technologies like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and the Internet of Things. Together, these systems will allow massive networks of smart devices to communicate seamlessly, from connected homes and businesses to autonomous vehicles and medical devices. Eventually, even space-based communication systems may integrate with 5G, expanding its reach beyond cities and countries. In conclusion, 5G works by combining new frequencies, advanced antenna technology, and smart network management to deliver faster, more reliable, and more efficient connections than ever before. It is not only an upgrade for phones, but a foundation for industries, cities, and technologies of the future, shaping how people and machines interact in a world that is becoming more connected every single day. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.